In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a board private on Trello. Whether you are managing personal tasks, client projects, or internal team workflows, keeping certain boards private is essential for protecting sensitive information and staying organized. The good news is that Trello makes this incredibly simple, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all of your boards. Step 1 is to go to your Boards page. You can do this by clicking on your Profile or Workspace area and selecting Boards from the menu. This will display all the boards you currently have access to, including personal boards, workspace boards, and any shared boards. Next, click on the specific board that you want to make private. This will open the board so you can see all your lists and cards. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you're inside the board, look at the top right area of the screen. You'll see the board name and near it a visibility indicator. This might say something like Workspace Visible, Public, or Private, depending on the current setting. To change the visibility settings, click on the Visibility button. When you click this button, a panel will appear showing the available visibility options. Trello typically gives you three main options: Private, Workspace, and Public. Private means only members added directly to the board can access it. Workspace means all members of your workspace can see it. Public means anyone on the internet with the link can view the board. To make your board private, simply click on the Private option in this visibility panel. As soon as you select Private, Trello may show a confirmation message explaining that the board will only be visible to board members. Confirm the change if prompted. After selecting Private, the visibility label at the top of your board will update to reflect the new setting. This lets you instantly verify that your board is no longer accessible to workspace members or the public. Finally, close the visibility panel. You can do this by clicking the X icon or simply clicking outside the panel area. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to press a separate save button. And that's it. Your Trello board is now private. As a quick tip, if you're working with clients or external collaborators, always double-check your board visibility before adding sensitive information, like login credentials, financial data, or internal documentation. Making a board private ensures that only explicitly invited members can see what's inside. Also, remember that even if a board is private, you still need to manage board members carefully. You can review members by clicking the Share button at the top of the board and removing anyone who should no longer have access. To quickly recap, go to your Boards page, open the board you want to edit, click the Visibility option in the top right, select Private from the panel, and close the panel. That's all it takes to secure your board. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.